Applying geometric constraints in AutoCAD can help you maintain design intent and make your drawings more flexible. Here's a general guide on how to apply these constraints. Before you start applying constraints, make sure the Infer Constraints mode is turned on. You can do this by typing the Constraints Infer in the command bar at the bottom of the AutoCAD window and give the value 1. For Apply Geometric Constraints, click on the Constraint panel in the Parametric tab of the ribbon. Choose the type of geometric constraint you want to apply. We are going to apply coincident, parallel, and tangent. Click on the first and last objects you want to constrain. AutoCAD will apply the selected constraint to those objects. Remember to save your drawing regularly to avoid losing any changes. Applying geometric constraints can be a powerful tool in AutoCAD, allowing you to create more intelligent and flexible drawings. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel.